Hi everyone, I'm Dhriti Udeshi, a low carbohydrate expert, a diabetes educator, and your personal health coach. Today we're going to talk about the low carbohydrate diet. So now what exactly is the low carbohydrate diet? A low carb diet is any diet that provides less than 30% of your daily calories through carbohydrates, the other two macronutrients being proteins and fats. Now you may have all heard that glucose is the body's primary source of fuel. Glucose is released upon digestion of carbohydrates. Now that we mentioned primary, there's also a secondary source of fuel, that being body fat. Yes, you heard me right. That is the body's own stores of fat, not the dietary fat that we intake. So a low carb diet in essence is trying to make sure the body uses both carbohydrates, that is glucose stores, as well as your stored body fat for energy, and not just over relying on glucose if you're burdening the body with a diet high in carbohydrates. It's extremely simple. Think of it this way. If you had 1,000 rupees in your pocket and you wanted to buy groceries worth 250, would you actually go to the ATM to withdraw extra cash? You wouldn't. Similarly, if your body has enough stores of glucose, it's not going to feel the need to break down stored body fat to provide you with energy. One of the biggest myths of a low carbohydrate diet is that it is a very high fat diet or a ketogenic diet. No, a low carbohydrate diet does not necessarily mean it's a ketogenic diet. It's only focusing on getting your carbohydrate intake through whole grains, through fresh fruits and vegetables, and ensuring that you stay away from ultra processed foods, which are as it is very high in sugar and fat. The other advantage is that you are making sure you hit your daily protein goals and not ignore them, especially as a vegetarian Indian population. A lot of us tend to miss out on our minimum protein intake for the day. And we have demonized the entire fat group so much that we tend to avoid the good fats as well, like ghee, coconut oil, nuts and seeds, avocados. These are just to name a few. A low carbohydrate diet is beneficial for anyone who is not getting adequate protein and fat in their diets, as well as someone with metabolic disorders like thyroid or hormonal imbalances like PCOS and PCOD, insulin resistance. Yes, it's especially beneficial for diabetics since it improves your insulin sensitivity. The recent most popular trend of intermittent fasting is somewhat based on this concept. A long fasting period ensures that the body uses all its glycogen stores, and when it requires more energy over and above this, it breaks down the stored body fat to provide you with energy, since you're fasting and not intaking any kind of food to provide you with energy. And please remember, at the end of the day, there is no best diet. There's only one that works best for you and that can change over time. Universal one-size-fits-all miracle diet would render professionals like us useless, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach. What matters most at the end of the day for fat loss is finding an eating habit or a food pattern that is sustainable, reasonable, fits into your lifestyle, as well as most importantly enjoyable for you.